Hey everyone, welcome to Rethink Health. My name is Daniel, and on this video I'm going to talk about spaghetti squash, a new recipe that my family loves. It is super healthy, super easy on your gut especially, and I'm going to talk about how it can benefit your health. Coming up next. My family is always searching for new recipes, really healthy recipes, especially that are easy and convenient for kids, and that kids will love too. And also to take a break, a little bit of a break from meat. Not that meat is bad, we need meat, it's healthy for us, but I find today in our culture we eat a ton of meat, and the meat we eat is really not great quality. And so we really need to be careful, and we really need to give our digestive system especially a break. We find that spaghetti squash is a great alternative to that, especially when the standard spaghetti noodles are really not that healthy for us. And I don't know about you, but they make me feel really bloated and just things don't seem well after I eat spaghetti. So what are the benefits of spaghetti squash? And first, it is in season during the fall and winter, so that's good for us here up north. And also, it's high in fiber and low in calories, so that's going to be really good for our gut and our digestion. You're going to feel really good after eating it. You're not going to feel bloated and overfull, and then that's going to help with weight loss too, because the fiber is going to slow down the digestion. It's going to digest it, make sure the food is digested well, and it's going to help assimilate and absorb nutrients and just in a good pace for our body, keeping us full for longer. And that means we won't need to eat as much. And so it's full of some minerals and vitamins like vitamin C, manganese, vitamin B6, thiamine, magnesium, folate, calcium, and iron, just to name a few. And then it's also rich in antioxidants. So the biggest ones would be, which I already said, vitamin C and beta-carotene. So antioxidants are great because, especially for the standard American diet, because they fight free radicals in our body, the pathogens, the bacteria, viruses that come to try to invade and to try to kill our cells through the environment or food or whatever. The antioxidants are going to fight against those to help guard and protect our cells. So those are just a few points of the benefits of the spaghetti squash. So first, low in calories and high in fiber. Then it's full of vitamins and minerals. And then it's also full of antioxidants. So up next I'm going to show you how to cook it and how to make it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe to see more videos. If you have any recipes or tips on how to use it, let me know as well. I'd love to hear from you. So now I'll talk to you next time.